Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. The past month or so, I have been wearing my hair straight. Not bone straight, but it's been straightened. And I actually trimmed some of my ends while it was straight. So anyways, this is just gonna be a quick hair revert video. I'm gonna show you guys my hair pretty much reverting with no issues, just by adding a little water to it. I'm gonna wash my hair using the coconut shea shampoo, and I'm gonna follow up with a protein-based deep conditioner. As we know, when you straighten your hair, you're breaking down some of the protein that's in your hair, so I am going to be replenishing by putting back some protein in my hair. And I'm gonna follow up with a protein-based deep conditioner and just go on about my business, so keep on watching. Completely done being washed and styled. I am back in full effect with my curls. 100% elasticity, no heat damage whatsoever. My curls are popping better than before. I told you guys that my hair is straight. I also trimmed it, so you can clearly see how healthy the ends look. I'm gonna do a quick 360 turn so you guys can see the overall health and condition of my hair. I am very excited to achieve that maximum definition the moment I wash my hair. So I would say this, definitely how you prep your hair prior to straightening and just how you maintain the overall health of your hair will make a huge difference or impact of how your hair bounces back. I've been paying attention to my hair for the past few months, and I definitely pay attention to what my hair wants and needs, so that also plays a huge role. And I definitely think just my new regimen in general makes a huge difference. So I am very excited to say that, you know, my wash and go looks better than before I straightened my hair. It looks better now than it did before, and I definitely think me trimming it also played a huge part in that. I wasn't expecting any heat damage, but I just wanted to show you guys my curls just bouncing back better than ever. They're fully revitalized, and I am going back to making my videos. And that's all I have for you guys for today. So definitely stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.